love how things work. I'm really curious about, how can you make it bigger, better, simpler? And when you finally figure it out, it's like, man, that was awesome. I want to do it again.
It's always been my dream to work out in space, to be able to be on the cutting edge of aerospace technology. And coming here to Embry-Riddle is just giving me that first leg up.
Embry-Riddle is known for its aerospace engineering program, which is the best in the nation. We also have mechanical, software, electrical, and civil engineering.
One of the things we want to do is not only prepare you in your own discipline, but we want to teach you how to learn and teach you how to design solutions.
We try to teach the theory in the classroom, of course, but we also try to make sure that students from the day they walk in the door have the opportunity to get involved in the kinds of hands-on projects you see in this lab.
We try to make our class sizes very small. My personal belief is that I want to learn every single student's name that I have in my classes.
We interact a lot with students. We have an open door policy here, and that creates a much easier free flow of information, ideas, and innovation.
One of the strengths of our curriculum is that not only do we have a very strong foundation, but we also are using the latest methods, and we have some of the best undergraduate lab facilities in the entire country.
The freshman engineering program is unique here at Embry-Riddle because it's one of the only programs in the nation where you get introduced to engineering right away.
One of the first classes that we take is EGR 101 class. We actually build a robot and have to program the robot using Legos. From day one, we have a mission and a problem that we need to solve.
It's about getting in there, getting your hands dirty, and getting into your design. And we offer a lot of programs here at Embry-Riddle to do that.
In this lab, we do autonomous vehicles that run on the ground, in air. We do submarines and surface vehicles and even blimps, autonomous blimps.
Autonomous is artificial intelligence, something that can think, move, respond by itself.
We want to be working at the forefront because we know that's where the jobs are, and we also think that's where the fun is. And not many undergraduates get to experience that, so it is a special place.
We kind of all spend a lot of time in here because, well, we love it.
Aerospace engineering, I like to consider it rocket science. I like to consider myself a rocket scientist. I think that's pretty cool.
Our design classes here are very unique. We have a stability and control course, we have aerodynamics courses, we have a structures course.
We're designing an aircraft based on mission specifications provided by faculty.
Basically, all we're given is a piece of paper, and they say, give us a plane.
We take it from brainstorming all the way to design, build, fly.
So you'll start wind tunnel testing, structural testing. And towards the end of the semester, you'll begin to manufacture a scale model of your aircraft.
Not only do you learn how to design, but then you actually get to build. You get to see your design come to fruition, and it gives you that knowledge and experience that you need to be the best engineer possible.
My passion for being here is to help these young men and women get where they want to be. That's the reward that makes me want to get up every morning and come to work.
I'm looking for the full cycle. I want to see everything. I want to see from research to the drawings to the production and then finally see it work. To be able to have that experience here is incredible. I mean, I find it like it's a privilege, really.
And it keeps you motivated. You know what your final goal is, and you know being an engineer here is something special.
You have all that background, all that foundation to build on, so that when you take that next step and you do something that's really spectacular, it just seems like a logical next step.
So I was recently accepted into the NASA Dryden Research Program. So I'll probably be going to one of the NASA sites around the United States, feeling like my dream has come true. My hard work has paid off.
You know, for me, it's like a dream every day. I see myself now in these blue pajamas, and it really is. It's hard to believe that it could happen. And you know, I'm thankful every day for the experience I had at Embry-Riddle.
Things that I learned at Embry-Riddle that serve as a foundation and a basis for everything that I do on a day-to-day basis.
Coming to Embry-Riddle is not just an education. You're joining a community of professionals.
We're more than avionics, and we're more than aerospace. We are one of the top undergraduate engineering programs in the world.